Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the precise and correct way to sign checks for your LLC to protect your personal assets from liability. Many business owners make the mistake of just signing their own name, but doing that can actually pierce your corporate veil and expose you to personal lawsuits. To prevent this, you must always make it absolutely clear that you are signing on behalf of the business entity and not as an individual. First, look at the signature line on your business check. Above or directly below your signature, write out the full legal name of your LLC, exactly as it is registered with your state. Next, sign your full name cleanly on the signature line itself. Finally, right next to or directly under your handwritten name, you must write your official business title, such as managing member, manager, or president. This specific combination proves you are acting strictly as an agent of the company, and that is how you sign LLC checks properly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.